ass.
Your what?
My ass.
Your ass.
Yes, my ass.
What about your ass?
It's so fat and juicy.
Wow. So your job is to show up at the club looking pretty
Looking pretty.
and have your own table and
And
guys
have
buy
my-
you drinks.
Yeah.
You don't speak to the guys?
I don't. They could like bazokhuluma ngama champagne.
Actually, what's your preference with men? Is it South African guys or
Mina, if I'm dating someone, ngifuna leli khanda engilaziyo. Leli khanda engili-understandayo.
You've had a few relationships that people know about.
A few.
You dated fellow.
Yeah.
How long did you guys date?
Yo, it was painful. It felt like fucking 5 years. There's someone who would be happy. Oh, more than happy to buy you a 50K, 100K bag. But mega waqala wathi, hey baby, yazi, ngifuna ukuqala ibhizinisi or whatever, aboreke. Because khona amadoda angafuni ukukwakha.
You're a woman that's gone through a lot of things, you know.
I thought about killing myself. I don't want to lie. Sorry,
Really?
guys. Yeah. Noma umuphi lo muntu oyenze leya nto leya, uyintsha. Uyintsha, yes. Uyintsha.
This is what we're here for. It's the
Yeah.
Altino podcast.
Joe. We have
Why am I the host?
Umuntu angidm ayisa Lil Wayne, Rick Ross.
Let's go.
With no further ado, I need everybody to make some noise one time for Cindy.
Sunburn. Oh, please.
You clearly a big hit with the guys, Cindy.
Ish, ngiyabona, yes. Ngiyabona.
But don't act like you don't know.
No, sengibonile.
Oh,
Ngiyazi futhi.
How are you? Are you good?
Ngiyaphila njani?
I'm good. You were telling me you thought I hated you before.
Yeah, because I was like, hayibo, usubize wonke umuntu wayengangibizanga mina.
So that equates to me hating you?
Bengisho ukuthi une-beef nami.
I've seen you in the clubs. Haven't we had a good interaction whenever we saw each other?
Yeah, phela mhlawumbe ubuzobe ungipretenda ngoba sengiphambi kwakho. Ngiyadlala. Ngiyadlala.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you good?
I'm okay. How are you?
Good. Today we're gonna speak about like various topics.
Yeah.
Where should we start? Let's start with like people refer to you, or people when they see Cindy, they refer to you as a baddie.
Yeah.
Would you say that's a accurate depiction of you?
I mean, yeah. I mean, I've been posting a lot of thirst traps.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, I haven't been. Where you posting these? I
On
didn't see none of
IG,
these.
I archived all of them because
okay,
ish,
yeah.
ngithole ilokhu umuntu uthe ish, cela ususe bandla.
How?
Ish, guys.
Who?
Kodwa kasekho.
Oh.
Shonile. Ngiyadlala.
She is dark. Like what?
Ngiyadlala kodwa ngasusa phela. Kodwa honestly, angiyisuselanga izinto zami on my IG. I was told, hey, this is making me uncomfortable. So me trying to be this, oh, okay, baby, it's okay. Like, ngizozama, ngizosusa ngazama
So why were
ngasusa.
you posting them in the beginning, initially?
Because, I mean, I loved feeling sexy.
Yeah.
And mase ngithatha isithombe mase ngiyayibuka ngithi, damn. Why kumele ngiyibuke ngedwa because singabuka sonke.
So would you say you're a little bit of like a show off?
I was, not anymore. I was a show off. But like not too much though. Like ish, yo. And then nasemaklapini bengigqoka amanethi kanjani. Yo, guys, I was a baddie. I was bad. I was bad. I was bad to the bone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like, first of all, like maybe let's break it down. What is your definition of a baddie?
I don't think I have a specific definition. But abantu out there, they usually just make it look like ukuthi mekuthiwa uyi-baddie now, you just umuntu nje obhedayo and owenza izinto wrong all the time.
Yeah.
But kukhona umuntu who's pretty, who
Yeah.
works
Yeah.
a 9 to 5,
Mm-hmm.
who goes to church, but like oba nazo la my moments where she's feeling pretty and she posts herself.
Okay.
And then they would say, Masumuhle, mawumuhle, uyi-baddie.
Yeah.
But I don't have a specific definition. Yoku baddie shem angas.
So when you were posting the thirst traps,
Yeah.
and you
I
were
think
feeling sexy,
Yeah.
like what did you like about yourself so much? So like, yo, they need to see this. Like when you're looking in the mirror.
Ass.
Your what?
My ass.
Your ass.
Yes, my ass.
What about your ass?
It's so fat and juicy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fat and juicy. Really? Wow. Is it real?
My ass is real. Only the hips are
Are
not
you sure?
real.
Is it real? Really?
Yes.
You got a BBL
Yeah.
on your hips?
On my hips. Only my ass is real though.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not lying.
I swear.
Okay.
I swear.
So why would you just get the hips and leave the ass alone?
Because I already had the ass.
So you were born with just a
I
fat
was
ass.
born with the fat ass.
Damn. Okay. But you had no hips.
I didn't have hips.
I wish you were dressed like you had something tight so we could see like what's going on.
Yeah, but this dress is just, I don't think you guys can see it.
Guys, we are so the guys that are shooting
So let's
are like,
see.
let's see.
Let's see.
Can you give them like a stand or 360?
Well, I could
Yeah.
try, why
Yeah.
not? But like, I'm not wearing a tie. Guys.
Wow, you guys are even clapping. when people's
Yes.
when people say educational things, yeah, you guys don't clap. You're gonna clap. You're gonna clap for ass.
Uti, yes.
Society is going down, guys. Eh?
It's already down.
Is it?
It's bad.
Damn.
Mm.
So,
But
mhm.
yeah.
So you said you got a BBL.
Yeah.
In case they didn't hear us whispering,
Yeah.
only on your hips,
Yeah.
nothing else. Everything is real.
It's just my hips. Yeah. I
Ah.
took the size.
The size.
Yeah.
How much does it cost to even do that?
Oh, Gabby is a fan.
Hmm.
Yeah, no, Gabby is. It's a bag.
Just can give us like maybe you know, around
100K.
100K a hip or just both.
No, Pele, the whole procedure.
The whole procedure is 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you get this procedure done?
I did it here in SA.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah.
Are you happy with the results?
Yeah, I am. But I gained a little weight.
Okay.
Well, it's not a little, it's a lot. But like, it's fine. I can always lose it if I want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you gain the weight?
Ish, I think ay bengidla ngiyilalela mina guys. Ay bengidla ngiyilalela mina guys. Ngithi nje bengidla ngiyilalela Nkosi yami, because there was a time where I stopped hosting
Yeah.
and then emva kalapho nje Nkosi yami bengivuka nje ngiyigqokela ama-pyjama, ngigeze, ngibuyele kwama-pyjama, khona uZulzi. Mina noZulzi, that app, you know Zulzi?
Yes. With the baddies. Mm.
Oda uzuza utshwala, ngihlale la, oda ukudla ngidle. I was stress eating.
For real.
Yeah.
What
I
was
never
stressing you?
life.
Why? How could
Oh
life stress
shit.
you?
I hate life sometimes.
Really?
Yeah.
I love life. How could you hate life?
Eish, It's impilo yami mina movie.
Please tell us about this movie.
Yo, sana.
Hmm.
So, I'm not gonna tell you.
We are here to watch the movie.
I'm not gonna tell you. Like I faced a lot of things.
Like what?
Like losing my mom
Oh,
and
condolences.
relationships. Yo, akuhambi kahle lapho.
Why?
I don't know.
Are you
I
the
really
problem?
don't know. No, sometimes I am the problem.
When you are the problem, what are you doing wrong when you are the problem?
Okay, ngisho ngalokho kade ngibhekene nakho on my previous relationship or
Okay.
just in general.
Yeah, but you're saying.
Oh, my previous relationship, I could just
Yeah,
say it. It's
okay.
fine.
Yeah.
Inkinga mina kade ngiba nayo ukuthi obviously I would host. He never liked that.
Yeah.
I would post these pictures, these thirst traps. He never liked that. And ubengangithembi nje futhi as a human being.
Yeah.
Because I don't think ukuthi uze kumina because akwazi ukuthi ngithi uyangibona ungishele ungibona ukuthi ngiyahost and stuff.
Mhm.
Then why get to me and then want me to change all of that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think into kade iyenzakala ukuthi I would go to clubs and groove. Ngibuye i-rider. Okay, I'd have my rider.
Yeah.
And ngibuye namabhodlela. Ngiwathengele ubani amabhodlela. And every time I'd leave the club, I would literally just go there. Khona ezobona ukuthi okay, sharp. Yeah, uhambile wayogroove. Kodwa ubuyile endlini nje, ubuyile nangu la. Kodwa still ubengangithembi, and it was
Okay.
that was the main problem. And obviously, people would give abanye abantu. People actually sell my number. Uyakwazi lokho?
What you mean?
They sell my number to other people that really want my number.
Sell your number?
Yeah.
For how much?
I don't know, Pela. Ngibona ngomuntu text, and then obviously after they have sold my number, they tell that person that don't tell them that you got it from me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then after that, I always have to explain even abantu ngabaz because
So how you know they sold your number?
it's obvious because how is it that ukuthi oh yin Magdalena. Hey. Sorry guys.
Damn, I didn't know I could also say your number. I didn't know like how I'm like why
You
am I
go-
not making money? I should be making money too.
It's
Kamza,
business.
you want the number? How much
It's
you got?
business.
Poki, you want the number? How much you got? Pange, how much you got?
Why is number yam?
I didn't know that this is something I could
Oh,
sell.
angihloniphi.
But me, I'm a hustler.
Because laba kade bedayisa number yami kade bengangihloniphi shoot nawo ngihloniphi.
I do respect you. I do respect you.
Yehlisa
I'll do it.
yehlake kuleso
Okay,
stimulus.
I'll do it in private, gay.
Eh.
Okay, I'll do it in private. I didn't know I could sell your number, so
Well, people
I'll use
do
it to
that.
good use. Yeah.
People do that actually. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, but I asked, what did you do wrong specifically? You are saying
I
what he
think-
thinks, because you're not innocent in all of this.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes. It's not like phela ukuthi mina wenza into wrong ngedwa.
Yes, but we're talking about you, accountability on your side.
So yenzeni. I would actually talk to other people but not meet them. Ngisuke ngingakhulumeli ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlangana nabo.
So you'd be in a relationship but talk to other men.
Yeah, because I would go to the club and then I would groove. And then they probably want my number and I'll give them. But I ukuthi ngikhuluma nabo ukuthi ngithi we flirting. No, it's just hi, hey, hi,
So why are
hey.
you giving them the number then?
That's the thing. That's like the first thing engiyenzile wrong.
Okay.
Ukuthi ifike lapho. But also bengiba-blocker. But every time I would come back drunk, because ngamnikeza number because ngiyazi ukuthi ngizomblock. But every time I would come back drunk, he would go through my phone.
Yeah.
Because ubeyazi password yami angazi kanjani.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was that. Iyona into wrong engiyenzile.
Mm.
Iyona into wrong engiyenzile. Okay, and also, oh shit, yeah, oh yeah. Realize.
Mm.
Also, the getting too drunk and then starting fights.
Oh, wow. I've experienced that. So every time you get drunk, you start fights when you get back home.
Not that I would start fight, but yeah, na me waqala my fights. I wouldn't be like, ish, bruh, I want to sleep.
Yeah.
I see again. If uqala, that's where we're going.
Mm.
And ilas uyolenda khona lapho.
Damn.
Yeah, so usually, because when I'm sober, I'd literally always be like, every time when he would start fights, I'd be like, you know what? It's fine, bese ngiyaxolisa.
Mm.
Noma ngiyazi ukuthi imi no wrong, ngivele ngixolise just to get over and done with it.
Yeah.
Like I've had amanye ama mistakes, ezinye izinto I can't really talk about, but I was not that bad.
You were not that bad.
Yeah.
You've had a few relationships that people know about.
Yeah. A few.
Like how like maybe you've
A few.
okay, fellow, you dated fellow.
Yeah.
Talk about someone hesitating to claim you. It was out there.
Yeah, so teen phela.
Mm.
Yeah.
How was that relationship?
Wow. Yo, yayazi tornado. Ivunguvungu.
Why?
Because we just didn't trust each other.
Why do these guys not trust you, Cindy? There's something happening. Why don't they trust you?
Angazi.
Guys,
I
actually,
don't. What if it's not a me thing? What if it's a them thing? It's not a me thing.
but you're giving away your numbers. And you also said it seems like a lot of guys don't trust dating someone that hosts at clubs.
Yeah, I think that's the main thing actually.
What we spoke about this like a couple of times, but can you give us like what is a job of someone that hosts at a club? What is expected of you?
Just to go to the club and look pretty, and people just come and buy drinks. They don't have to be on my table. They could just be like, I'm here. Excuse me, to see Cindy, and they just buy me drinks. That's it.
So your job is to show up at the club looking pretty
Looking pretty.
and have your own table and
And
guys
have
buy
my-
you drinks.
Yeah.
You don't speak to the guys?
I don't. They could like bazokhuluma ngama champagne.
Okay.
Or maybe they could just pass by my table and come say hi.
Okay. But then maybe if I'm okay, let's act like I run this club.
Mm,
Okay. I say, okay, Sharp, I want Cindy to come host.
mm,
When Cindy's coming to host, she's supposed to influence guys to buy drinks,
mm,
right?
mm.
So how is she gonna influence guys to buy drinks?
Ibona baza eklabhini angithi I get a poster that has my picture.
Yeah,
So by the time they go to the club or
Yeah.
get to the club,
yeah.
they already know. Go to, oh, yeah, there's Cindy, and obviously she's hosting, so let me just buy her drinks.
And they automatically just do that.
Yeah, I don't have to go around asking people, hey, please buy me drinks, please buy me
Yeah.
drinks. No, what? Oh, no.
But I would see why guys would feel uncomfortable that they do. Like,
Yeah,
imagine
yeah,
dating a girl
understanding.
that
That's why
yeah.
I stopped, mos. Angithi kade ngayeka nje ngiyekile ukuhosta, mos. Because it was really like getting too bad. Like the fights would get too bad, and then I was like, no, you know what? Let me just stop, because I really like I have interest in this person,
Mhm.
so let me just calm down.
So
But
what
still, I get elungayo nje.
like if you look at like all these guys here, none of them go to clubs.
Yeah.
So could you explain to them like when in a club scene,
Mhm.
right? When you are there to host, like what has happened? How much like what do guys buy you? Do they give you cash?
Mm-hmm.
When they buy you bottles, what bottles are they giving you? Like how much money do they usually spend?
Okay. So class. Yeah, like guys.
No,
so-
just say that, man.
It's short.
Hi, Miss Cindy.
Yes. Okay. So, anyways, so what happens is obviously, Alessia would call me and be like, "Hey, you want to do Louis or
Yeah.
okay or whatever?"
Yeah.
And I'll be like, "Okay, sharp." And then he sends posters, sharp. And then he sends posters. I post. They post. And then after that, obviously now I know what's the drill. Have to look good, smell good, hair done, everything good. And then we go to the club. Okay, oh well, it's in Kulumele. I mean, I go to the club with my friends. Also, I don't travel in big groups. I have 2 friends that I travel with to clubs.
Okay.
I always make sure that I have like a small circle. And besides that, I go to the club with those people that I'm comfortable with because I don't want problems.
Okay.
Sharp, we get to the club. I get a section. I get my rider. Yes, I get my rider. I get my 2 bottles. Habli, all night. Habli yami nje. Mayisiphelile, figure enye, mayisiphelile, figure enye. Chill. And then people will come. And then obviously take pictures, nan. Mase abafana bazofika bathenga utshwala. And bayaspend up. But I mean, I drink Moe Nectar, so I'm not an expensive babe like that. Like I love Moe Nectar. So eklapina, I'm not really that bad. But yo, babuye bathenga yazi, yo. Bayathenga shame utshwala, ngikhuluma ngotshwala.
They don't give you physical cash?
No. Why would they? Bazele ukuzothenga utshwala.
Mm.
And also when they pay, when bakhokha laphayana, obviously bakhokha mina ngikhokheliwe nami ukuthi ngibe lapha. They did not just call me ukuthi beze ngize and then make people nami ngikhokheliwe. So I'm also doing my job ngokuba lapha. Maybe that's good on me because I can get more gigs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, this hosting thing, but Fethu, hey, it's
Yeah.
heavy. It's heavy on a lot of guys.
It is, but it's. I mean, I don't think umuntu. Because another thing is, why would you come to me knowing very well that I host?
Yeah.
You came to me
Knowing
you
what I
saw
do,
that
yeah.
host. Why say shock manje all of a sudden?
Yeah.
And nalapho mawufika, you did not say, okay, no, let's just be casual.
Yeah.
You demanded a relationship. What the fuck?
Mm.
Now manje sengibuke ngathi mina abuse umuntu, whereas you could have easily went to umuntu osebenzayo like a 9 to 5 or umuntu osontayo or umuntu nje ongagroovy but like oyozishayela ama lunch. They could have easily did that.
Who spends more money in a club? Is it South African guys, Nigerian guys? Who spends more money?
I wouldn't know.
Oh, come on.
I'd never see bills. I wouldn't know.
Actually, what's your preference with men? Is it South African guys or
South African guys.
really?
Well, yeah.
A lot of women these days have been throwing us under the bus, eh? Like,
Ngani?
but South African men are the bottom of the barrel.
No,
Yeah.
South African men are actually nabo babuye bangabi right. Abekho right. Ay. Umuntu uyazama ukubavikela abekho right man.
Abubani.
Like the abekho right. But also I have my friends that are actually also dating like Zimbabwean guys. Apparently they're good people also. And Ghanaians. I don't know if that's how you say it.
Yeah.
People say they're good people, but like mina, if I'm dating someone, ngifuna leli khanda engilaziyo. Leli khanda engili-understandayo. Leli khanda leli engikwaziyo nami ukuthi uma ungijoyela kabi nami ngithi ke usuwenza kakhulu usuyangibhedela-ke manje. Usuyangibhedela. Ngifuna leli khanda engilaziyo. Guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Wenzani
that,
manje?
no, that explains a lot. Vele.
Yeah.
And then as far as like, what do you prefer? A Sotho guy, Zulu,
Oh,
Tswana?
Zulu. I'm Zulu. Like
Yeah.
both my parents are Zulu, but like I would never date a Zulu guy.
For real.
Yeah,
Why?
because I dated Zulu guys when I was growing up,
Yeah.
and we have the same head. Okay, now we have the same temper.
Yeah.
J as thelelana mans. I have
Do you have a temper problem?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No. But I love standing up for myself.
Mhm.
That's not temper, right?
No, it's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't just lose my shit.
Okay.
Yeah. I-preference yami kwama-tribes ala South Africa.
Mhm.
Ooh, I don't have a preference.
Mhm.
I don't have a preference.
Okay.
But I know ukuthi kuyo yonke into angeke ngi-end up nomZulu. I swear, like even now, probably now with tribe yakho, you don't want to date people within your tribe.
No, I don't have an issue dating like black, white,
people-
same tribe. Like me, I'm like,
Okay, but
yeah.
most people are like that. Like Zulus don't want to date Zulus. And most vendors don't want to date vendors, other vendors or what. Oh, I don't know anything about vendors.
what
sorry.
type of guy do you like actually? What type of guys are you into? Never mind.
I
the tribe.
don't have a
Just
type.
attributes.
I don't have a type.
Okay.
I don't have a type. Mengasubone nje abantu esengijoleni nabo ngasho ukuthi hey kwenzakalani la? Kwenzakalani la?
So for real, light skin, dark skin doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Rich, broke doesn't matter.
Yo, I've dated broke men, so yeah, I think now it matters now. Now it matters.
Why does it matter now?
Because I've been dating for love such a long period of time. Ngikephi manje ngikephi ngoba ngisahila namanje ay
All this
sengicela
time,
ukujelela imali manje sengicela ukujolela imali manje ay Guys, ngehliseni, ngehlise phosa yami, hayi ngiyasaba
All
yo.
this time you've been dating for love.
I've been dating, yes.
You've never dated a rich guy before.
I had a rich guy, but like you had to
So
dig it out of
it's
him.
also over, miss.
But he acted like a broke nigga because I had to dig cash out of him every time.
How do you dig the cash out of him?
Like kumele ngichaze ukuthi ngizoyenzani leyo mali ngibhale ngihlale phansi sibe ne-meeting ukuthi ngizoyenza. You amahloni kimi. You guys. You. So kumele ngichaze njalo. I've dated one rich guy, but like every time I have to explain. Also, I was still a bit younger there.
Yeah.
Like I had to explain njalo ukuthi ngizoyenzani imali na. Yeah, I've never dated umuntu othi, babe, vuka manje, sambeni siye Dubai. Or now malini 200K, go do some shopping. I've never. I've like impilo yami, most of my life, like 80% of my life, I've dated abantu nje just because ngiyabathanda. Yeah.
So now, because it didn't work, it's over for them.
Yes, yabona lokho kokugcina ila ngasho khona ukuthi nginikezeni irula ngidwebe ulayini manje. Kudwebe ngithi this is where it ends.
So then now when you say you only date rich guys, how does it happen? So if a
No.
guy approaches you,
Yeah.
and then what do you say? Do you have money? Like what happens?
No, phela bear in mind ukuthi it's not that now that I've been dating labantu laba abanganayo imali ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi bebe ngekho abafana abanemali abangifunayo. They've always been there. They're like bakhona.
So why didn't you say yes to them?
Bengakwazi ukuthi yes kubona ngalesa sikhathi because bengithanda nje manje ke ngisho kona ukuthi ngizozama ukuthi yes manje.
Were you faithful?
I was. Why? Ayo. Kwenzanani manje? Kwenzanani?
You know, I was having a conversation with someone, ne? like this week. I want you guys to actually be involved in this, right? They say if you have a beautiful woman, right?
Yeah.
And she's admired, and a lot of guys want that beautiful woman.
Mm-hmm.
And she's out there, people know her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she can remain faithful, but let's say if she gets DM'd 100 times, maybe the first 10 or 15 times she can say, no, I'm in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? But maybe by the time this guy DMs her, like the 22nd time, but she can't say no 100 times.
Yeah, but
Especially if that lady likes beautiful things.
Kuyafana, even if that lady gets those beautiful things, uzothi uyithathe mefika kwen. Ungenayo nemali yokuthenga those beautiful things.
Mhm.
Let's think about it.
Mhm.
So rather ngayitholi, kodwa yes.
I've seen you wearing designer.
Yes, phela bengiyithola kumuntu wami as ama gift, but ubengathengi. I'm not a designer babe though.
Yeah.
You can go through my page actually.
Is it?
I am not a designer babe. Nikezeni phone yakhe. Nikezeni manje.
So where do you shop, Cindy?
Yo, got my online boutiques, amantombazane. Also, I used to sell clothes, Blackberry wear. So sometimes I would wear my own brand
So why are you not a designer, babe?
because I love saving money.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's refreshing to hear.
Oh, I love saving money.
No, you guys stop capping. She's like saving her money, not your money as a nigga. Yeah.
Yeah, I love saving money.
Your money, spend it. She's not saying save your money. She's saying she saves her money. But yours, she wants to spend.
No, but think about it. Like,
Yeah.
if mina manje, let's say, for instance, you give me money.
Mhm.
Uthi, okay, let's say, Ngiti, I want those LV trainers.
Yeah.
And then you send me that money. Ungangithengeli wona wena.
Yeah.
Ngizoyithatha leyo mali ngiyisave mina. I
Oh.
will not go get them.
Oh, okay.
Angivele ngisabe ngithi hawe ma sekumele ngihlale nemali engaka manje ngubani.
Okay.
Yeah. But zonke izinto zama-designer enginazo, I got them as gifts.
Okay.
And uthola ukuthi umuntu uyoshopha angicabangi and then athi. And nalapho ziyabaleka mhlambe ziwu-5. 5 or 6. Yeah.
Are your bills expensive another month?
No, not really. I don't stay endaweni ebiza ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah.
And also my car is not costly. I didn't go for the German cars as a first car because I knew ukuthi ngizoyenza ama-mistakes nasemgaqweni. Nanokuthi what if
Oh, yeah,
it
you were in
happens?
an accident.
Yeah, and nanokuthi what happened? What if like now kwenzeka ukuthi angisanamali, am I going to be able to maintain this car?
And now a word from our sponsor.
The easiest way to learn trading, real charts, real mechanics, zero money at risk. If your balance drops, you can instantly reload it for free. And when you're ready, you can switch to a real account all in one click. Tournaments let you compete with other traders for prize pools. You can join for free or paid competitions where the goal is to achieve the best results in a limited time. In free tournaments, you trade with zero risk but still compete for real rewards and rankings. You earn gems through trading activity. They can be used for real perks like cancel loss, cash back, balance bonuses, or keep 100% profit on your platform-funded trades. The more active you are, the more you unlock. Signals give ready-made trade ideas, direction, timing, and entry all in one tap. And there are over 30 indicators you can customize directly on the chart for deeper analysis. You can fully customize your trading space, light or dark mode, or even your own background like a photo or meme. Your trading space, your rules, pocket friends, lets you earn with referrals. Invite a friend, and if they deposit and start trading, both of you get bonuses. Your friend gets up to 2 times deposit rewards, and you can earn up to $100. Verified accounts protect your funds. Only you can withdraw them. And the platform uses 256-bit SSL encryption and the same standard as major banks. Yes, sir. You've been through a lot of things. Not a lot, but a few things has come out.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Also, most recently, you had your news leaked.
It was last year.
Yeah.
Oh, that was bad.
How did you feel? Like you wake up. Actually, tell me what happens on that day when your news get leaked.
I was at my ex's place.
Mhm.
He was getting ready to go work. And bengizosala endlini mina. And mengisala endlini. Okay, so I'm chilling, yabo. Nalapho besilwa vele asikhulumisana endlini. Angikho right nje vele. So omunye umngani wami uNabs uyangifonela uthi ukephi? Ngithi mina, what do you mean? Athi ukephi? Are you with people la ukhona? Ngithi mina, yeah, I'm with people. What do you mean? Athi ngicabanga ukuthi ngicela ulokho nje ubhukhe iflight uhambe uye kini. Go home. I'm like, for what? Athi Fethu ngilalele. Ngithi Fethu, for what? Now I'm panicking. Athi Fethu, they just licked your nudes. And I'm like, yabona yabanda inhliziyo. Yabanda inhliziyo, kajuluka ikhala amakhwapha yonke into. I was so scared. And to think that was actually my worst fear, that one of my worst fears, I was like, you know what? If ngingashoni namhlanje, ngiphinde ngishone. Because I thought about killing myself. I don't want to lie. Sorry,
real?
guys. Yeah. I was like, because I was always so terrified. Even bekuthiwa kutrend omunye umuntu abalika ama-nudes, like, I would feel like, oh my God, I would feel so bad for them. Now it's happening to me. Like, now it's literally on my doorstep. I'm like, what do I do? I was so angry. I was mad. But most of all, I was just so disappointed. And nalapo, I'm not thinking ngami kuphela. I'm thinking my family, my dad. My dad has friends. My mom, uya emsebenzini. Bazombuka kanjani? My little brother, samele enze izinto ahambe nabangani bakhe. Bazombuka kanjani? Wes abangani bakhe abancane. So they watch things online. And nami ke mina, I literally put myself ekugcineni. Now also my relationship, the person that I was with, I'm like, is this person still gonna be with me after this? Like, how am I supposed to deal with this? How am I supposed to even go out and face the people with everything that's going on? I don't want to lie, that really, really fucked me up. That fucked me up. Like, I don't wish it for anyone. I do not. Revenge porn is a horrible thing. It's bad. It's horrible. I hated that. I hated my life. I really, for some time, I even was like, you know what? I'm gonna quit everything. Ngoyega, social media, hosting, this, that. Because it's like, do I ever get a break? Like, do I ever get a break? Every time, ngizama ukukhila kulokhu, ngizama ukukhila. I haven't healed from that thing. Because one day, what if I want to have a kid one day? And then my kid goes to school and then bataibo asikhohliwe njalo uma wakho and stuff. Yabo, it's not a nice thing. Fani yalimazana le nto. So noma uphila umuntu oyenze le nto leya uyinja. Uyinja yezo. Uyinja. I don't have anything nice to say to that person. I don't have, like, I'm so angry. And namanje vele ingicike nje, let's not talk about it. Yeah. Iyangicika ngempela. Like iyangicika.
Damn. How do you even try to attempt to get over that?
You don't. You don't even try to attempt because you just have to wear your big girl shoes and be like, you know what? It is what it is. So phela sekwenzakalile. And how do I defend myself from this? Even if ngithi ngiyavuka ngithi ngiyovula icase, ngizoyivulela ba? With what evidence? Yabo? So you don't get over it.
Do you think as far as like maybe the government or people that run the country, there should be things put in place to say if you're gonna leak news, they should be. Did you actually press charges?
I did not. Yeah.
Can someone
They
can go to
should
jail
have.
for that, right?
Yeah. Someone can go to jail.
Yeah.
But now who? Ngizothubani. What evidence do I have? Even if I take that to court, ngizothubani. Like ngizothubani, because bazothi evidence is, because now you can't accuse umuntu. No manje I know guthubani, but I don't have evidence. Okay, this is the person that did this, and yabo. All I have is just, it's not ngiyazi ukuthi ubani. I know, but it's fine.
It seems like you've dealt with like a lot in life.
I
speaking to.
have.
So, like, do you have someone that you speak to in terms of therapy? Like, how are you? What's your outlet in dealing with these things?
Mina ngiyakwazi ukuziba izinto yazi, but it never helps. I have a friend, Lisa. I talk to her.
Oh, like you've mentioned Lisa's name, like even before this conversation, like 20.
Lisa.
Shout out to Lisa.
Shout out to Lisa. Yeah, so Lisa ngikhuluma naye izinto, but sometimes Lisa, let me tell you ukuthi uLisa unjani, uzothi uyamchazela into, she's gonna need time to process it for it to make sense. So she doesn't just understand manje on the spot. So that's Lisa. So sometimes ngithuke ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume nomuntu. Noma uyangizwa noma akangizwa. Yeah, like it feels good.
Yeah.
But I've mhlambe sengaya 2-3 times with therapy. The last time I went, I was so bored. I went to this lady. Genza appointment. I went, I paid. And then when I got there, I told her, ngempilo yami, like from scratch. Kulelo hour lelo, ngamtshela. Wathi ekugcineni, okay, sizophela isession yethu. She was like, okay, so I noticed that kuyo yonke into le ongitshele yona right now, you did not cry. I'm like, this girl, are you serious? You know how many times I've cried? You know how many times I've cried? Ngezinto engeke ngikwazi ukuyishintsha. Do you know how many times I've cried? I never went back to that therapy. And after that, I did not even want to go to therapy.
That is crazy.
I did not even want to go to therapy. I'm like, what do you mean, ukuthi you did not even cry? So now I must come here and cry. I just told you, ngempilo yami ukuthi kwenzakalani kwawena, you were shocked the whole time. And then now you telling me, ukuthi, why am I not crying? Hayibo. Kanti ngizela ngikhalile. Futhi ngisazokhala. I'm not done crying. I'm still going to cry. On top of everything that's going on in my life, and then I lose a mom. Now it's like, yo, what do I do?
Sure.
It's crazy.
How did that have an effect on you?
Oh, namanje ngisay process because it's new. It happened in May. So ngisay process namanje. Namanje ngisayibuza because it happened so fast. Now like, hey, what?
Do you mind sharing like how it happened?
I don't want to share. Yeah, I don't want to share. I don't want to.
Mm.
But it's not nice.
Mm.
Yeah, it's not nice. But I guess ukuthi right like her and I love it when I dream about her because it's like, girl, I'm confused. Because I was on TikTok the other time.
Yeah.
There was a girl who was literally sobbing, crying. Uthi, you guys are lucky. Abazali benu laba bangasekho emhlabeni bayanivakashela through dreams. Mine never even visits. And it was like, yo, that hurts. And my mom comes on my dreams. And I always feel like it makes and I'm like, oh, yes.
Or like what
I
she
was
comes to
with
your
her.
dreams?
Yes.
What happens sometimes?
My dreams are always confusing, but like sometimes amanye my dreams angiwakhumbuli ngaleyo ndlela because mina ngibamba ukuthi ngibone yena. I don't care if the dream makes sense or not.
Yeah, dreams never make
Yes,
sense.
I'm like, I don't even care if
Yeah.
it makes sense or not.
Yeah.
I'm like, she came to my dreams and I am happy.
Yeah.
I am so happy. Like
Yeah.
I'm fine with it. But I haven't healed and I won't heal now. I won't heal tomorrow. Some people never heal from it. Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, man.
You know,
fine.
it's what's very interesting about like sitting down and speaking to someone. Why I feel is important, just for everybody watching.
Yeah.
Whenever you look at someone through Instagram, Twitter, and
Yeah.
whatever, through face value,
Yeah.
you have your perception of that person without you actually knowing that person at all, and you think they're a certain way. You build up that narrative in your own
Yeah.
mind.
That's true.
I think it's very interesting, and I encourage a lot of people to do more interviews because you find out there's more depth
Yeah.
to a person than meets the eye. You
Yeah.
know, even with you, I can just tell you're a woman that's gone through a lot of things, you
Mhm.
know, and there's a real person that lives inside there. Just never mind whatever we see on social media.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you being vulnerable and sharing your story because there's a lot of people that go through a lot of things. But when they see Cindy maybe on social media, they wish for your life, but they don't know what you go through.
Behind closed doors, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It's crazy, but that's what I'm saying. I-
It is like
yeah,
that.
Yeah.
It is like that because I want to buy a book about Khalil because I even get girls about, oh my God, Cindy, oh my God, you're my role model. And I'm just there like, yo, even on a live video, I'll tell you, I'm Khalil Pilo, I'm fine. Ngoba ngizokunikeza yona nje for a month. Yeah, a month. Uzobuya uthi ayi ngiyabonga sisi ngicela uyithathe bandle sengiyabonga. Hayi sengiyabonga bandle ngiyabonga.
Damn. And you're still so young too.
Yeah.
Like you like 24, ne?
26. I turned 26 last month.
Last month.
Yeah.
Like what do you still have what dreams and ambitions like do you have for yourself? Is it in the entertainment industry or outside?
I love the entertainment industry.
What would you love to do?
For DJ.
God. We don't need any more DJs.
Angeke ngizwe ngawe.
It's enough.
No.
We have so many DJs.
No.
What genre are you gonna DJ?
I'm still deciding.
I'll guess.
Guess.
Piano.
No.
Cap, you are lying.
I mean,
It's obvious.
if Ikekelil Kulu and then everyone is getting a slice, why can't I get a slice? Think about it.
You took our mind somewhere.
Oh, guys.
So you want the slice of a cake?
Yeah, why not? How? And I'm gonna do it as a hobby. I'm not gonna do it as now, like my life depends on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it as a hobby because I don't have a hobby. I think I could do it as a hobby.
Like, tell me about your life transitioning from you living, because you're not from Joburg originally.
Yeah, I'm from
You,
Durban.
was it a culture shock or just everything is just the same? How's life living here? At what age did you come here to Joburg?
I think I was by month 26.
Yeah.
If we no 20, being no 23, 24. Because
Oh wow, you just came now.
no, Bengiza ngithi.
Yeah.
When Bengiza I used to fly
Okay.
in and out, in and out.
Yeah.
And then ngafika eGoli. I was I was staying with some man at some point after the lockdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I dated. So I stayed with him, and then Sabonu to so to Aksebendi, and he got me apartment,
Okay.
and I was staying in Midrand, and then still the relationship didn't work out. So emva lapo and my everything I didn't have, like I was so dependent on him. I think that's why footing Saba, that I'm scared of being broke
Okay.
because of how much I was treated when I literally didn't have anything, and I had to beg this man to give me money and explain every time that, hey, I need money for this. So iyon nto engenza ukuthi ngisabe, so ngahlala.
I think, sorry, can we just
Yeah.
pause for a second? I think that's also an important conversation to have.
Yeah.
Like a lot of young ladies wish to have a rich man,
Yeah.
but they don't understand both sides, what it comes with having a rich
Yeah.
man. Can you break it down, like how you explaining, like someone
'Cause-
is more controlling, they want to control your life?
There's some men who would be happy, more than happy to buy you a 50K, 100K bag. But mega waqala wathi, hey baby, yazi ngifuna uqala ibhizinisi or whatever. Awuvela umbhore nje, abhoreki. Because khona amadoda angafuni ukukwakha, but like they love like ukunikeza leyo sauce nje bakunikeze ama-designers, everything you can think of. They love that. But immediately if you want to do something good ngempilo yakho, they're like, oh, yabona, no.
Because you could
'Cause
empower yourself.
Yes, you can have power. That's the
Yeah.
thing they know. They
Yeah.
see, men know when girls have power. They know. And they hate that so much. They hate that so much. So, yeah.
I think it's important regardless. You can date a rich man, but for you to also have your
Ube
own
nento
money.
yakhe enzakalayo.
Yeah.
Angithi amantombazane amanye avela athi, yo, angithi baphelele social media.
I'm just a girl.
Yes, I'm just a girl, like princess treatment. Until kufika enye ingane egamini entsha, uzokushiya. Uzokushiya, uzomdweba. Uzomdweba. Uzokushiya ungakholwa. Like nalapho, because you didn't have savings, you didn't have a backup. Even exosha kuleyo apartment le kade ikhokhele for 12 months. Angeke ube na plan, because now ubuvele ungenayo plan, because when all your money that you get, you take diamond work. You take diamond. It's okay, guys, to wear like I don't mind them. Like I don't mind diamond work girlies. It's okay, but at least ungcono ukuthi uyazi ukuthi vele unayo backup. Noma lo muntu angahamba, unayo into that you can fall back onto. Yeah. Ayenzi sense lento le, njalo wena ukhempile nje diamond work. Awu guys, ningayenzi leyo nto fine. At least ke siyazi ukuthi une-business lakhe. Leli business lakhe noma lingalethi imali engaka le ayithola kumuntu wakhe, kodwa unayo into ephathekayo. Apartment angayi-afforda noma angahamba lo mfana lo, uzoyi-afford i-apartment, uzoku-afford ukudla, uzo-afford lokhu nalokhu, like pads, whatever. Yeah, because it's really sad when it happens. We see it. Like, we see it. So, mina sekuyenzeka kumina leyo nto, because I used to sell hair after high school. And then when I dated this man, and then he was like, you know what? Just stop selling hair. I'm gonna find something better for you to do. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Why not? And I stopped, literally. Now sengiyakhangeza. Cela lokhu. And mengekho emodini yazi ngeke akunike yazi. Ngeke uzoyidweba, angeke uyinuke. And then after that, sahlukana. I had to go back home. Go back to the drawing board. Ngabuyela ekhaya. Ngafika ekhaya. Yo, guys, I don't think I've ever seen myself ngileya weight. I lost so much weight, because now I'm like, where do I start? What do I do? Where do I go? Who do I say? What do I say to who? And I was so depressed so much. Like, I used to cry every day and not eat. I lost my weight. I was done. But I was like, okay, it's fine. I'm taking this L. This one, I am going to take it. I'm taking it. And it's fine. abahlekayo bahleke. It's okay. I will bounce back. One thing about me, I'm a bounce back. As long as nje ingahlangene nengane, right. But I will bounce back. Ngabuye, okay, ngahamba ngayikhaya, ngaqala ngaba right, ngahlala ngahila, ngayitshela ukuthi okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. And then somehow ngaqala ngenza ngala igoli, ngithola ama-gig o-hosta. Thola ngihoste, okay, eThekwini babona ha, usehosta lapha, okay, asimhoste nathi la esala. Ngaqala njalo. And I would save money nalapho. Even yona le ncane kade ikhona, I would save it. I would save it so much. And then yeah, ngabuyela back on my 2 feet and ngahamba. I think masise ngibuyela ngampela, that was when I did my BBL. Yo, chill for now.
So you paid for this BBL?
Yeah, my first BBL, I paid for it.
How many BBLs have you had?
2. Oh, maybe 3.
How? The same place.
Oh my God, yeah.
Why?
Because every time I would feel fat, I'd be like, Doc, I feel fat. Instead of going to the gym, I'd be like, Doc, I feel fat.
That can't be
Because when you have the money, that's how you do things. Am I wrong? You're like,
Yes, you are
well,
wrong.
I have the money. Why not?
Yes, you are wrong.
Yes, phela beku wrong ngaleyo ndlela. Uyangijudge? Uyangijudge?
No, I'm not judging you.
Oh, phuma ke lapho.
But I mean, gym is cheaper.
Yeah, gym is cheaper, but bengifuna into esheshayo, but still buka manje I always gain back the weight.
So then you wasted the
Guys,
money.
Yes, guys and guys, PPL, you gain. Angazi ukuthi yini laba sifaka yona besilele. You gain back the weight.
So would you advise a young girl that's watching you now, if she is insecure, to get a BBL?
If she is and she has the money, she can go. But if she has the money, why not? If you have an insecurity, it could be a big nose. If you want to fix that big nose, fix it. There's nothing wrong with that. But obviously, with doing all those things, you have to maintain. I was not maintaining. I'm still not maintaining. Yeah.
So you're gonna go for another?
No. Funingani man.
How?
Gazala.
Do you actually have any ambitions of being married with kids?
No, sorry, no. You guys can keep all the marriages.
How? Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because marriage is not for everyone. Guys, you have to understand that. Like, it's not the end goal. Like, oh my God, now we're seeing a lot of divorces. It's like, what's going on, guys? Besides my divorce, there's also these married men that act so single on the streets. What's going on, niggas? What's going on? Hey, boo.
But you know what's going on?
I don't know.
Okay.
What's going on?
Cardi B actually said this, right? She said men respect marriage more than women. Women, I know you're watching, calm down. Let's break it down. She says, yeah, Nane, when she was married, guys were not approaching her because they understand she's with Offset. But Offset, girls are coming at him. And guys, when a woman is married, they respect the boundaries and don't approach a woman.
Makes sense.
But women will date a married guy with no problem. How many South African it girls or celebrities have we seen date married guys?
Yeah, quite a lot.
So we can't just blame the married guys. They have to be with a woman for that to happen.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It makes sense. I won't lie. If you put it like that, it does make sense. But also, why can't we blame the guy?
No, I think they both to blame. I'm not just blaming the woman.
Yeah, we need to blame the man. Because you're a married man. Why the fuck are you on Cindy's DMs?
So you're
not even scared of it. Screenshots.
You've never been with a married guy?
Mhlambe seke ngaganga but hayi ukuthi sesiyajola sesiyathandana nalapho futhi waphika angitshelanga ukuthi he was married.
Did you stop when you found out?
I did not, but ivele yangibhora. I don't like dating married men. I don't like being with married men because what do you mean that I have to understand that I can't call you after 8? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean every time when you talk to your wife, I have to keep quiet?
Yeah.
And I'm a loud girl, sana me. So, hey, bo, what do you mean? Manje sekumele ngihloniphe. How, guys, I ain't chaba. Ngiyasehliseni.
So then why don't you be the married woman then? So you don't have to
Mm-mm.
deal with that.
Ah, hey, bo. Wait, ngiyabonga mina, guys. Shatan, guys. I don't think marriage will ever be for me.
Damn.
Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like the whole concept. It's a beautiful thing. I
Mhm.
won't lie.
What don't
Such
you
a-
like about the concept?
The fact that now I have to be home. I don't want to lie. Ngiyakwenza emjolweni lento leyo kuba grounded, okay? Ngiyayenza. I can be grounded when I'm in love. I can
Like
be
you said, you're
grounded.
done with love. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm done with love, I guess.
Okay. So you don't want to be married because you don't want to be grounded.
It's not about the being grounded. It's because of lezi zinto engiyibonayo la emgaqweni ezenziwa amadoda ashadile. Nanokuthi futhi nami nje angiwuhaleli. Like I'm just gonna have dogs, okay? I have a plan, guys, okay? I'm gonna have dogs. I love dogs. I'm gonna have dogs. I might have a man that I will be with. It doesn't have to be on paper. Like we could be cool, chill. Yabo sibe right. And nje si-relax. And we decide to grow old together, we do that. I don't think because abantu masebeshadile baba ne-entitlement engayazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi. Now I have to explain like, okay, I understand ukuthi sishadile, kumele ngikuhloniphe, ngiyakuhlonipha. Manje maybe mina unga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani emshadweni because I've never been there, but like ayihalisi. I don't want to lie. Oyihalelayo uyayihalela because it's such a beautiful thing when those people go to your home, the whole ceremony. Listen, I don't mind the event yokushada, the wedding, and the food and the drinks and the pictures. But why, imagine after the wedding, why do I have to go with you? How? I just came here for the event. I just came here.
Can
for
you
the
believe this woman?
Yes, like, guys, why can't we do that? Think about it. Like, ngiyafika ne, imina nawe siyashada ne. So uzokhokhela umshado, upha abantu basekhaya le mali yamalobolo ne, uyabapha, and then you buy me a house. Khona phela mase ngiqeda ukudla la kwi-event ngizohamba ngendlini
So I'll buy you
yami.
the house before we get married.
You need to buy me a house
Okay.
and
I'm
the
listening.
car.
Okay. I'm buying the house and the car. Okay.
Yeah. In my name. In my name. And emva kalapho mase siyenza umshado ne. Noma ungabe umshado plano wena, but usually men don't really have interest. But like, yabo. So mina ngizokhetha ingubo, istyle. Ukuthi sizohamba ngayiphi imoto, ama-bridesmaids, nokuthi ama-jits akhe azogqokani, nami ngizogqokani, nawe uzogqokani. Okay, you could choose ukuthi uzogqokani. Kodwa mase siqedile, okay, mase siyaya emshadweni, ishade, la la la. I do. Ungiphi naleyo ring ukhona mase ngihamba ngizoyidayisa. I don't want to lie. The whole guys, ngi-serious. Mesiqede emva kalapho mase-ke siyadla-ke siphuze-ke mase sidakiwe. Mase uzohamba uyolala wena la ulala khona ngazi kephi. Mina ngizohamba ngolala nami endlini yami engiyithengele wena. And then it ends there. Why kumele manje sekumele ngiyobo umakoti somewhere? Oh, makoti. Oh, wow. No, guys.
So please tell me, with everything that you just broke down
Excuse me.
with me buying you the house, the car, whatever, wait, what do I get out of this?
The pictures. The pictures.
Are pictures not important these days? You see what Instagram has done.
No, phela abantu sowenza abantu becabanga ukuthi siyajula once in a while siyahamba siye Paris or somewhere just to take pictures.
What am I getting out of this?
You get to take pictures with me. Okay, I don't know, a hug or something. Okay.
So you're not even planning to sleep with the guy?
Okay, maybe. Angeke ngimdabukele futhi. Ay, Gazala! Gazala, I might get drunk. Sise Paris somewhere. And I'm like, hey, daddy. And then in the morning, masung bingane uthi, hey, baby, ngithi, baby, who? Baby, who wena? Rubbish. What you mean, baby? Baby?
I thought you were a lover girl. You're not a lover girl.
I am a lover girl.
No, you're
I
not.
just don't want to speak highly on love. Like I hate it. Like after the last time I was in a relationship, I wasn't always like this, guys. I wasn't. But after listening to lezi abaqeda ukungenza zona abafana, angisanayo inhliziyo.
Yo.
Anginayo inhliziyo.
Hayi.
Anginayo inhliziyo. Nawe kumele ngihlale la ngithini ngithi ngiyawuthanda umshado. Amalava ke khona amalava ke lamaningi abawuthandayo umshado. Hayi fanele nje nathi bayihlalele nje. Bazoyenzani?
So you just gave up on every guy in Joburg?
Not just Joburg nje. Guys, I did not give up entirely on love. But currently I am in a phase where I don't give a fuck about love.
Mm.
It's a phase. It comes, it goes. Sometimes you're like, you're a lover girl. So if me ngase khona umuntu ofikayo manje athi, listen, and I know mina mengi in love. Hawe mabengeke ningibone na kule podcast. La abengeke ngizeshem sorry. Angiphumi. Ngifocus kumuntu wami. Like when I'm in love, like ngathi ngisebenza ingqondo yami isebenza ngengqondo yamuntu wami. Ivele ingasebenzi nokusebenza le yami. So I hate it sometimes when like I fall in love and then I do all of those and then I become too attached and then it's so hard to break up with them and then I start losing myself. I hate that. I hate that so much. But I am a lover girl. The people that know me, they know me. And the people that have been following me for ages, they know. It's just that I know ukuthi it's not a good thing ukuthi uyeke abantu bala emhlabeni ukuthi bakushintshe umuntu oyena, but like guys, sometimes abantu bayakupusha to that very edge fana. They do that. Like uvele uyithola usekhoneni nje uthi yazini manje I don't want to be nice to anyone. I don't want to be nice to anyone.
You don't want to be nice to anyone?
Not like nice towards love. When
Towards
it comes
love,
to
yeah.
love. Yeah.
Yeah.
You like even if and then you're so fucked up to a point where if figure umuntu who actually genuinely likes you, you can't see it because you're like, oh, uzongiphinda ke lokho siyami. Yeah.
Damn. That's sad.
It's sad. I know.
Okay, can we discuss a couple of rumors about you?
Ooh, cha. Okay.
And this is the researcher that came with all these rumors. So you better look in the eye.
Uban.
She looked at her way. She's the lady with the glasses there.
Oh.
Yeah. So you,
Mengqeda la mina nawe ne. One-on-one. One-on-one.
you better deal with her, you know?
Yeah. It's English, okay. Ooh, cha. No, you ate. No, he ate, right?
Okay, so don't look at her. Look at him.
Okay.
Okay. Is it true that you were in a relationship with Teddy Boy?
Yeah, best gang. Best make a relationship, best gang.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, she also asked, but you did confirm earlier. She was like, your relationship with Fellow T, was it a real relationship or was it for social media?
It was real. It was real. It wasn't for social media.
How long did you guys date?
A year and some months.
Wow, that's long. A year.
Yo, it was painful. It felt like fucking 5 years.
The relationship was painful.
Yo,
Why?
Dude, it was painful, yo.
What makes a relationship painful?
Angithanda ukukhuluma ngayo.
I've never been in a painful relationship.
Oh,
Please break it down to me.
angithanda ukukhuluma ngayo.
Really?
Yeah. Engikhuluma ngayo, ngifeel ngathi ngimosha isikhathi sami nje.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it lasted though.
It did. It
Mhm.
was nice sometimes. I think it was more bad than nice,
Mhm.
but the nice moments were actually dope. I don't want to lie. They were
Is it
dope.
the first guy you date in the industry? Clearly not.
Dated.
Clearly
Dated.
Clearly
Ngikhuluma ngokudate, I mean. Angithi sithe dated.
not. Okay.
Asikhulumanga ezinye izinto sithe date.
Okay, so-
Ungayi lapho
So you've been with other guys, not dating.
Ada. Awasho ngathi manje sekuyisitimela nje.
No! Oh my God. Okay, so he's not the only guy you've been with in the industry.
Industry. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay. Would you date another guy in the industry?
Yes. Isiphelile nale champagne ngabe ngiyaphuza manje.
You were very excited by that.
Yes, I would.
Kabelo there asked who would you date?
Hayi bo ngeke ngikwazi ukusho yibo. Yibo. But yes.
Is he someone that you have a crush on?
Yeah. Angazi noma kusayi-crush yini. Yeah.
Okay, so there's still hope there.
Well, ayukudate guys. Why nilibona ukudate? Angifuni ukujola.
Oh,
I want to be cool. I
Which-
want us to vibe and be
To vibe.
cool. Yeah.
like these days, guys, we are living in an era where a lot of females just want to vibe.
Yeah, because now this dating thing yabahlula nje yabafana. Next thing. Ujola noTamara manje. Sengihleli manje sengizwe indaba zakuthiwa hayi boss bona umuntu wakho la noTamara.
Mm.
Oh, bani wakephi.
So when we vibe, right?
Mm.
Like, because some guys get lost in the vibe.
Yeah.
When we vibe, are we in contact every day?
Yes, umuntu wami mos.
When we
Umuntu wami.
vibing, miss.
Yes, ngeke umuntu wami kumele ngifonele ngibuze ukuthi babe uma sokulala ukuthi yalala. Kodwa phela akukho that deep but noma ungafonanga kodwa mail ufone yes.
and when we vibe, am I loyal to you?
Ke okwakho lokho because we vibing.
Okay, if I was busy with other girls when we were vibing, would you be mad?
As long as ungihlonipha mina ngingakuboni ungakwenzi phambi kwami.
But you wouldn't be mad if you find out. Because we're vibing. We're not girlfriend and boyfriend.
Yeah, I wouldn't be mad but ungakwenzi la ngisho ukuthi manje usukwenza phambi kwami usuyangigcwalisela. Usuyangijwayela. Yeah, usuyangijwayela. I'm not looking for a relationship. I'm so sorry. I'm not. But if kwenzeka baby ngiyakuthanda yazi. I love you. You my everything. Umuntu wami kodwa oh no. Oh angazi kodwa umuntu wami. Yeah.
I heard a little voice or whatever. Have you tried singing or rapping or whatever, making music?
Wey, ave ngingakwazi i-wooden mic bengizobe ngingeve ngiyiwina shem. Angikwazi ukucula shem. Angikwazi. I can't sing.
I could see you as a rapper, like as a female rapper.
a rapper.
Yeah. I think if someone just wrote you bars, you could,
Yeah.
yeah, you have the image for it.
Yeah. Qonba. I don't think I can do that.
Have you tried?
Yo ngigahleka mina leti yokurapha le. Ngiyislima. Ngiyislima guys mina ngeke ngahleka. Yo ngahleka. Yo ngiyislima yo. I swear. Yeah.
And then just on another note, are you spiritual? Do you believe in God?
I believe in God. Yeah. I believe in God.
Does God play a role in your life?
Yes.
Okay.
But I lost touch with God after my mom passed away. I don't know why. I know I was wrong, but I got angry. Like that, I don't know if it's some sort of grief what? But I got angry. I couldn't pray. Like every time I would try closing my eyes, kube blank nje. Ngingazi ukuthi ngithini. I was so angry. I was like, why? But ngiyazama manje ukuthandaza. When I sleep and when I wake up. But I don't wanna like I did not feel bad when I didn't pray. Ngaleza insuku. Whereas I know a lot of people would have actually moved closer to God because when it's so dark, I feel that's when He
That's the light.
hears you and he feels you closer to Him like that when kumnyama. And mina ngalesa sikhathi lesa angazi ukuthi ngingenwe yini bengidiniwe nje angithandazanga.
Like when times are hard, you should lean closer to God.
Yeah.
And the thing about death, that's the only thing in life that's guaranteed. Nothing else is guaranteed except death.
Yeah.
We all gonna go one day. So I don't think maybe that I know we all obviously don't want to see our parents go, but I don't think that should be something that's gonna stay you away completely from God.
Yeah,
You know?
but I'm good now.
You good now?
Yeah. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we attempt to pray? today?
Now
Yes.
you can pray for
Usually
me.
I can pray for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because ngithe ngingena la angazi ukuthi yini le ngakufuna ungitshela yona ungitshela ukuthi wena do this, you sleeping on this. I'm like and you thinking that angikulalele because I'm just like you're like you need to work. You're sleeping on yourself. And I'm here listening to you. I'm like, "Oh my God. He's like ayikho inye into ayikhulumile namhlanje nje eqala ungibona." And he wasn't disrespectful and all he sees is ukuthi wena you can be bigger than what you are right now. So I feel you can pray for me.
Okay. So my message is, did you receive it in a good note?
Yes.
I see, maybe I see something in you that you don't see in
Yes,
yourself.
that's the thing. Because
Yeah.
not a lot of people will come to you and be like, bro, you're sleeping on your greatness. Like, you're sleeping on your blessings. Not a lot of people. They'd be like, oh, I could go to Tim Fosse and be like, bro, izinto zenzayo zi-right. Even zingekho right. Kodwa kube khona omunye umuntu omtshelayo ofika ukuthi, bro, like, if you could stop this, you would be bigger than this. Like, you could do better.
Okay.
Yeah, it was in a good way. I don't want to lie.
Okay, you took it in a good way.
Yes.
Okay. Let's try and pray for Cindy real quick. Can everybody in the room? Yeah. Relax. Close your eyes. Dear Lord, can you please bless Cindy with everything that she's going through in life right now? Can you please make her find her way to you, my Lord? She recently lost her mother. And since she lost her mother, she's been broken and she can't find the answer. Can you please, Lord, bring yourself closer to her to give her some type of healing and direction in her life? Please bless everybody that's here with us on the podcast, be able to make it home to our families, and you bless our lives throughout. Amen.
Amen.